The fish, when they born, they're in water. They never touch the air. That's why they're not. That's why they're not able to breathe. That's why they. So if you was a baby and you was in the water from your start and never absorbed the air, you would be a fish. You would like be a human fish. Bro, I'm cooked.
Bro, I'm trying to follow you,
Bro, I'm telling you, bro. You gotta listen to what I'm saying, Zeke. If you would have never absorbed the air, this right here, and you was in the water, you would absorb water. I'm telling you, bro. I know this to be facts.